Here's how to set up items and price lists in Zoho Books, step by step. Start by signing in to your Zoho Books account. Once you are on the main dashboard, go to the left side menu and click Items. In the Items section, click the plus New button to create a new item record. You will now enter the basic item details. Add the item name, then choose the item type as either goods or service. After that, select the unit that fits how the item is sold or purchased. If you want to include a visual reference, you can also upload an item image at this stage, but that part is optional. Next, move to the sales information section. Enter the selling price for the item, then select the correct sales account. Make sure you choose the account that matches how you want this item recorded in your books. After that, choose the appropriate tax setting. If you want more detail to appear with the item later, add a sales description. Then go to Purchase Information. Enter the cost price, choose the expense account, and select the tax setting for purchases. You can also add a purchase description if needed. If this item is usually bought from a specific supplier, choose a preferred vendor. If you do not need that, leave it blank and continue. If you want Zoho Books to monitor stock levels for this item, enable Track Inventory for this item. If inventory tracking is not needed, leave that option turned off. Once all of the item details are in place, click Save. The item is now created and ready to use in your records. The next part is enabling price lists. Go to the top right corner and click the settings icon that looks like a gear. In Settings, use the search bar to look for price lists. Then open that option from the results. If the feature is not already active, enable price lists before moving on. After that, return to the left sidebar, click Items, and then open Price Lists. Click the plus New button to create a new price list. Enter a name for the price list so it is clear what it will be used for. Then choose the transaction type, either sales or purchase, depending on where you want to apply the pricing. Now select the price list type. Choose all items if you want one pricing rule to apply across every item. Choose individual items if you want to assign specific prices item by item. You can also add a description here if you want to label the purpose of the list. If you selected all items, choose whether the list uses a markup or a markdown, then enter the percentage and select how prices should round off. Check these values carefully before saving, since they affect every item included under that rule. When everything looks correct, click Save. Your Zoho Books item and price list are now set up and saved.